In this IntelliJ tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can view recent files. So if you go in the upper left here, you can click these three dots and then you can go to view, and now you have a few options down here. Either you can view recent files, you can view recently changed files, you can view recent locations, and you can view recent changes. Recently changed files and recent files will open up the same menu. You can also access these by hitting Control E to open up the recent files. So in here in this window, we can actually see what we've used recently. It automatically puts you at the second option on the list because the first option is the file that you're currently on. So then you can navigate through this list and choose a file that you want to open. Now, like I said before, that second option to view recently edited files, all it does is it changes this little checkbox up here to show only edited files. So let's open up one of these. So now that we've clicked on this file, say we want to go back to the old file that we were recently editing. What we can do is we can hit Control-Shift-E, and it opens up this menu where we can see where we actually were editing the file. And we can switch between any of the files that we saw in that earlier list. So this first one was obviously the one that we were already at, so we'll click on it. And now it moves us back to where we were editing at the beginning. Now we can switch back and forth by just hitting Control-Shift-E, and then hitting enter, and it will switch back and forth between the two files that we were currently editing, and also where our cursor was in that file that we were editing. For reference, this is the recent locations menu, and just like the other menu, you can also hit show edited only, which will take you between the edited files that you have in your recent history. And that is how you open recent files in IntelliJ.